Okay guys, I don't know whether you can hear me, but today I plan to do a different kind of vlog. Instead of me starting the vlog in the morning, actually I'm starting it after work.
Because I am going to the... You have to guess.
We have to guess?
Yes, and tell me at the comments below. So, I know that you will pick the beach because did you have came to the beach before?
Radio. So tell us in the comment section below is what Kian is asking. Where are we heading to? Okay, it's a weekday evening. Almost we'll be winding off very soon. But since I is visiting us, we just thought to take her and the kids, Coco and Kian, to a nearby lake, which you're going to get to see soon. That's Coco, my mother-in-law, and they're playing around. After we are done with the dinner and all, the weather was so good, so we just decided to hang out in this beach for a few minutes and then head home. So this vlog will be all about a weekday and how it looks like. I definitely have a busy schedule. So once again, I'll attend Kian. And then my usual routine and how I try to fit things into this, whether it's having some lighter moment like this one, which is so fun being outdoor, some quick dishes that I'm going to make for tonight and then tomorrow, so I will just vlog it through. So this vlog will be all about my weekday routine with my work and my home. Hope you like it. Is the water cold? Is it very cold? Careful, Kino. Okay, so we are now back home and everything is all set. I have to just grind the batter for idli tomorrow. So I'm going to quickly do that. What I do is I put the batter in the yogurt mode in Instapot and it always works perfectly fine. So we can have idli for breakfast tomorrow. Look at Coco, how tired he is and very happy. He literally ran a lot in the beach. Next day morning, guys, I woke up at 5:30 and I finished thepla. That's for our lunch, and then dosa for Neil as he does not like idli, and idli for all of us. So idli, chutney, and dosa for Neil. That's what we are going to have for breakfast. Neil is so shy; he didn't like that I'm taking his video anyway. So that's our backyard. It's not that pretty right now because it's winter. By the way, before I enter, I wanted to show you that over the weekend we got our desk finally, right? So it got delayed a little bit, but my standing desk is here. Enough of playing with a standing desk. I better get back to work. I actually did a 30 minutes call in the morning after I was done preparing the breakfast. Now I'm back at work and I just put the camera over there and recorded what I do. It's no fun. Just doing some documentation, and I'll end up doing all the calls in the morning. And then during lunch, I plan to take Coco for a walk.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause it's bring back all the memories or everything you've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause it's bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back too.
Okay, I'm back at work. The walk was not that fun, guys. I did try to record the walk and some of the stuffs, but my hands, I mean, you won't be able to see it, but it's frozen. It's so cold outside, but what you have to do, you have to do. And Coco loves cold, and you just cannot have a dog in the house and not take him out and do some exercise. So we finished it. It was a 30 minutes walk, not bad. Good. So now that I'm back at work, I'll quickly finish my work. So I usually marinate chicken almost every other week. Today I'm adding cheese because I wanted it a little more softer for the tikka. This is almost 2 kgs, so four pounds plus chicken thigh, and I had cut it in the morning, and I'm going to marinate with cheese, yogurt, tandoori masala, salt, ginger garlic paste, and turmeric. So I'll put the recipe in the description. So I'm going to marinate, and I put it in ziplock, and small ziplock pouches, and I will freeze it. For tonight, I'm going to add some pepper and stir fry some of this chicken, and we are going to have that for dinner. So after I finish marination, I will quickly take Kian for the kids club, where I also get to work out. And then now me and Kian, we are going to his kids club, and I'll get to do some workout too. So that's the plan. Look at our shadow. So the chicken that I had marinated, I am just going to fry it, not deep fry, just shallow fry it in some butter. And then I'm making rice here. So what we are going to do, what I'm planning to do, is have some salad mix, rice and the chicken. That's it. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Just thought of sharing. So instead of this, you can also fry it in air fryer or grill it in the oven. I just wanted to do something quick So I just put it in the pan, right? And I also want the juices. I don't want this to be completely dried out because we don't want to eat this as a starter but also like a main course, right? So I want some of the juices to be still there, so we won't find the rice too dry to have it. Just have a look. What I did is added some red bell peppers after it was all cooked. So pretty, right? Kian, do you like Maggie too, like Mama likes?
Yes.
Okay, do slurp. Who eats like this? So Maggie is our all-time favorite. Okay, our nighttime routine is almost done. Kian is now ready, has taken his bath, had his milk, and before going to bed, he wanted to play with me. So here we are just doing some time pass, and then I'm going to put him to his bed. While I do this, Avi usually cleans the kitchen, he does the dishes. Neil is finishing his homework. You know many things about India. Okay, tell them if you can speak Hindi.
No.
You know some Hindi words. Okay, tell one Hindi word. Tell them one Hindi word. Any Hindi word that you know and you remember.
Kaise?
Kaise? Yeah. So you want to sing that song?
No.
Please? Please?
No, but I want to do something fun.
They can hear, they want to hear you. Like kaise wo? आँखें मेरी हर जगह.
I don't want.
No, let's finish this song. ढूंढे तुझे
Is it just starting?
No, I'll just start from here. ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है.
No, Mama. So we all in songs it always has to start at the beginning.
Okay, I'll start from the beginning. What's this? हंसता रहता. Like this?
Oh yes.
Okay. हंसता रहता हूँ तुझसे मिलकर क्यों आजकल. बदले बदले से मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल. आँखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह. ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह. Okay guys, so I'm going to end this vlog over here. It's 9:15. We are going to wind up the day and hope you like this vlog. Thank you so much for supporting, and please don't forget to like and comment, and if you can subscribe to my channel, that will be awesome. Thank you. Bye.